Hey guys, what's up? What car? I might be might be testing these cars on track. So, leave a comment on which one you want to see. This one's 16 Angels. This one is Golden Arrow. This one is Moto Blade. This one is Splitting Image. This one, this one's Muscle Tone. So leave a comment on which car you want to see, and I'll try to figure out how to give you guys shoutouts on the videos. So peace out and have fun. And these are the top few of the cars. I get this. Yeah, there's those 5 cars. Leave a comment on which one you want to see, and I'll try to give you guys a shout out, and I'll test them on track. So yeah, peace out, like, sub for more. Might be doing some more gaming videos today. I'm not sure yet.